Hi, my name is Terence Bennett. I work for a responsive repair unit as a bricklayer, covering the Ely area. Recently had my review with my manager, Tom Shell. It was nice to have a face-to-face meeting with him. He came out to site to go through everything. We had lots of questions how we want to move forward in the future. Benefits too I found were it was nice to put across any issues or ideas I had to my manager, and he can see where to go from there with. And it was also nice to set myself goals, which I'm accountable for myself, and obviously they're in black and white for anyone else to see, so it does make you want to hit them goals. Set realistic goals, don't be afraid to speak up, discuss your training and development needs, and remember your personal review benefits you, the customer and the council as a whole.